European Parliament calls to provide Ukraine with jets and everything needed for victory. The European Parliament has approved a resolution marking 1 year of Russia's war against Ukraine, in which it condemns Moscow's aggression and calls for serious consideration to be given to delivering Western fighter jets and helicopters. The document was adopted by 444 votes in favour, 26 against, with 37 abstentions on February the 16th. 444 deputies voted for, against 26 and 37 abstained. According to the report provided by the press service of the European Parliament, MEPs strongly condemn Moscow's aggression and reiterate their unwavering solidarity with the people and leadership of Ukraine. They call for serious consideration to be given to delivering Western fighter jets and helicopters, appropriate missile systems, and substantial increases in munitions delivery to Kyiv. Ukraine must not only be able to defend itself, but also to regain full control of its entire internationally recognized territory. The resolution calls on EU member states to adopt their 10th sanctions package against Russia and its allies by the end of February and to substantially broaden its scope. It also urges the EU, the member states and their allies to make the sanctions already in place more effective and to take urgent steps to block any attempt to circumvent these restrictive measures. MEPs demand that the legal regime, which allows for Russian assets frozen by the EU to be confiscated, be completed. These assets should then be used to reconstruct the country and to compensate the victims of the war. They also underline that once the war ends, Russia will have to be subject to severe reparations to contribute substantially to the reconstruction of Ukraine.